Well, I guess we'll start off with my stash out in Naramata, BC. A lot of good wood. Love it out there. Thank you, Ian. Here's me unloading it. Back to my shop.
Seemed like a good day to go up to Ian's and grab myself a couple logs, create some spoons. Why not? Let's get started. This is a nice solid maple log that's going to fit nicely in the chain vise. It's going to look great once we get all this bark off of here. First with the spoke shave, then the chisel, and then we'll turn it over, do a little bit of that action on it again. And you know what I really don't like is I don't like the knocks. I gotta get rid of all these knocks off of here, make it just a nice piece of wood, and then we'll start hogging out the spoon. And after we're done cutting all these pesky things off of here, we'll get that spoke shave out again and smooth it all out. And then one of my favorite parts is hogging out the spoon. I actually found a really nice tool to help me along with it. Enjoy it. Nice. I'll hog it out a bit more, and then we'll take the saw to it. This thing's gonna start taking shape soon. And this is where a nice sharp saw pays off. Spoke shave again, just to smooth everything out and find my shape. That's looking pretty good. We got the file. This is where things are starting to get interesting. We gotta start hogging off that back, all that excess wood. Let's get rid of this. This thing's almost ready to come off. Some precision instruments, of course. Always a necessity. Always takes the longest. Always worth it. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, this is where I find the crack in the handle. This is a classic method I like to use when I find cracks, usually just in the handles. I'm actually surprised I still have fingers, but yeah, that's African blackwood. So we just drill some holes, some glue, get them in there, saw them off, little fine filing work, sandpaper, and boom. I got plans for this spoon anyway. Looks like this spoon's ready to come off. Look at that. Beautiful. Everything's taking shape but that. Just a little bit more. The next step would be cleaning up all my mess. My broom dustpan here that I put magnets on so I can collect all the metal on my floor. This is the handle hanger I had for this. Wrapped it up a few times in tape so it can be dipped. I must add, this was a super good idea. Hello. Of course, we're dipping another spoon today. Let's get this. This is a maple spoon with African blackwood plugs because they had a crack right down here. They always come at the end, you know. So yeah, and a little handle hanger. But we're gonna try and dip this, make it let's seal up that crack.
that turned out. And finished. Consider this one done. Other than we gotta oil it up. Maple African blackwood plugs. Beautiful spoon. This is phenomenal. That's gonna be like, yeah, something I might start doing. Great spoon. Alright, it's time to get into this.